Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Transit wing mirror. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and a trim removal tool. You'll need these to carefully remove the interior door panel. Once the panel is off, you can access the wiring. Make sure to disconnect all electrical connectors for the mirror's functions before proceeding. Now, locate the mounting bolts that secure the old mirror to the door. There are typically 3 or 4 bolts. Carefully unscrew them. Once the bolts are removed, gently detach the entire mirror assembly from the door frame. Be mindful of any remaining wiring or clips as you pull it away. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning it with the bolt holes. Securely fasten the mounting bolts, ensuring they are tightened for a snug fit. Don't over-tighten. Then, reconnect all the electrical wiring to the new mirror. Finally, reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips are securely in place. Before you finish, test all the new mirror's functions. Check the electric adjustment, heating, and any other features. Confirm the mirror is stable, properly aligned, and fully operational for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.